Officials are working to determine whether Thursday night's severe weather in Mercer County was caused by straight line winds or a tornado. An overnight windstorm moved through the area just after 11:30 last night, leaving a path of damage across Mercer County. Snapped trees, downed power poles, and structural damage were reported throughout the county. A portion of US 33 was closed for several hours, and some customers remained without power Friday afternoon. Mercer County EMA Director Chad Wilrath spent the morning surveying the damage with the National Weather Service as crews worked to determine exactly what caused it.
Some type of wind event, but that's up to them to make that determination. We're also looking at damages, see if anybody needs any assistance. We did have a couple people reach out to the American Red Cross for some assistance there. And then, like I say, as you get through town, there's power outages, there's some poles down. The city crews are out working on that, trying to get power restored.
One of the hardest hit areas was East Market Street in Salina, including Lester's Tobacco Shack. The owner's son says it's nothing they can't handle.
Got to it about 6 o'clock this morning and found out the window was broke and the tiles inside are all destroyed. Window, roof just peeled back. I think we'll get past it. We'll be all right. So just once it's fixed, we'll move on.
Mercer County Sheriff Doug Timmerman is asking drivers to slow down and give crews plenty of room to work as the cleanup continues through the weekend.